Jimritsu. Today we're going to make some Play-Doh, Christina.
Yay! I'm so excited, Miss Cynthia.
It's going to be great. We thought you'd like to tell the parents a little bit how we can make Play-Doh at home. It's really easy.
It is easy. We have all the ingredients right here for you to see, and Miss Cynthia is going to give you all the instructions.
All right, so first of all, you start with 1 cup of flour. So I've already measured it out here. And Christina, if you can put it in the bowl, that'd be great. Okay, and then I have a 1/2 cup of salt. Let me put that together. And then we have, it's called cream of tartar. It's something that we bought at Super Duper. You might find it in different stores, but we found this in Super Duper. And so we need to open that up, don't we? Can you get that one?
Of course.
And we put 2 tablespoons or 15 milliliters of this inside it. So if you just maybe over that.
Sure. This is 1 tablespoon, so I'm going to do 2 of these. Is that correct, Miss Cynthia?
Yes, 2 of those.
Make it flat on top. 1. Ooh, we're doing counting skills.
Yeah.
I love it. And 2.
Okay, now can you just stir that up a little bit? It can be with a spoon or anything that you have. Just to mix it up really well. Maybe you can show them. Oh, look at
And
that.
it becomes 1 color, so I know it's mixed.
Okay, so we're just mixing it up.
Okay, I think it's all mixed, Miss Cynthia.
Okay, now we're going to get a tablespoon of oil and stick it in there. Ooh.
All right, let's see. This part we have to be really careful with. 1 tablespoon, done.
Okay, and then you're going to mix it up again.
Okay, here we go, boys and girls. Oh, look at the textures. It looks different than last time. Before it was dry, and now part of it is wet. This might take a little bit longer.
Yeah, just mix it up there. We're going to put some water in there as well, so it
that will
doesn't have to be totally mixed.
Yeah. Okay, but what is the special instructions for the water, Miss Cynthia?
Oh, so for the water, you have to have hot, really hot boiling water. And I've got 200 milliliters of water or 1 cup. And then we're going to just put a couple of drops of food coloring in there. Come on, Miss Christina. See what color it's going to be.
Can anyone make a prediction? What do you think, guys?
Let's see.
Whoa, that might have been more than a couple drops.
No, that's fine. We can make it. Okay, and then we're going to mix it all together.
Okay, and because it's hot water, it's going to help dissolve or make things break apart faster. And it's going to help the color mix. So take a look.
Oh, look at that. And you get to put your fingers in that and mix it up. That will be so much fun.
Oh, I can't wait till we're done.
Just mix it all together. Okay, Miss Christina, you're going to have to put your hands in there.
All right, this is where we
Ready?
get messy and lots of fun.
Here you go.
Thanks,
Take
Miss
that
Cynthia.
away.
Woo, so it's a little bit warm, so this is where the parents want to check the temperature of what you have in here. A little bit warm.
Sometimes you need to add a little bit of flour. We'll see what it looks like.
It's a little bit goopy and sticky, so I think Miss Cynthia is a good time to add more flour.
Let's add a little bit of flour, just at a little bit at a time, because you don't want to get too much flour either.
Okay, maybe a little bit more.
Okay, here we go. More flour.
And the more you add it, the more you'll feel the consistency or the texture. It comes together and it becomes harder, and you can start to make balls with it.
And it's still a little bit warm, so it's a little bit sticky still.
But it's so fun.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. So if we let it dry, it would, or cool down, it would probably be closer to the texture that we want it to be.
Just add a little bit more again.
Oh yay. See, and the more flour we add, the more fun I have. There it is.
Wow. Okay, so now you know how to make Play-Doh, and we'll make sure and write the recipe so you can follow it later. Thanks, guys.
This was so fun. See you soon.
Bye-bye.